Hi, it's Emily from WTI. Welcome to our overlanding trailer. When we were decking this out, we were going for a decor style of British luxe. And that's why I'm so excited to have found this cute wicker picnic basket from Wald Imports. This is the 13-inch style with faux leather handle and clasp and brass accents. My husband and I love having this picnic basket in our overlanding trailer for both the decorative and organizational functional facets. We use this in the little coffee area of our overlanding trailer. So we use it to organize coffee and espresso related things that we need to have with us when we're out adventuring in our trailer. You could pick any kind of ugly organizational basket or plastic baggie to keep that stuff. But when you really want to elevate both the style and function of organization, then you cannot go wrong with a picnic basket for organizing. We found that it's really well made, it's very tightly weaved, and it's held up really well through several camping trips already. But you could also use this basket in a multitude of other ways. Of course, like a picnic basket. So it'd be so cute to take your lunch or a picnic out to a park in it. But also B, you could use it for office organization or closet organization. It's just got so many purposes. We absolutely love this one from Wald Imports, and I think you'll like it too. But that's my point of view.